This is how you make a homemade bomb. The Works toilet bowl cleaner and aluminum foil.
Shit.
Watch and learn, suckers.
Do the shake test? Do we really do the shake?
Hang on to it.
Make sure cap is tight.
Still nothing.
Alright, it'll go. Go ahead and toss it.
Oh, that's pretty close. That's pretty close.
Oh, it's smoking.
It's experiment. Chris, listen.
Getting ready.
There it goes. I can see the smoke inside.
Stand the fuck back. Stand back 5 to 10 feet.
Oh.
She'll go. Give her a second.
He's going
Oh, there it
now,
goes.
Yeah.
She's cooking. She's cooking.
That been pretty long.
There goes the paper. It's starting to peel. It's expanding. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, it's gonna be good.
Here it is.
It's gonna be a loud one. There's a fucking bubble.
Oh! Holy shit!
It hit the house.